How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time we got two tickets here. We got two of the $20, 230 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. Now these ones here, we have the overall odds. They're going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. All right, guys. Today we have tickets 5 and 6. We're going to get started with ticket 5 here and work our way up. We're looking for that money bag symbol there to win $100 instantly, or that 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. All right, guys, this is ticket number 5. Let's get into it, get scratching, and get some wins. Winning numbers here, we are looking for 6, 40, 48, 47, 30, 18, 10, 5, 23, 4, 27, 11, 26, 41. There's my lucky 44, not on this one. 35, 14, 3, 45, 15, 8, 31, 36, 42, 39, 22, 37. All right, guys, the last row here. Can we get something? 46, 19, 29, 49, 43 in the corner. All right, so it looks like ticket number 5 is going to be a loser. Set that off to the side. Move on to ticket 6 here. 35, 33, 37, 41, 13, 45, and my lucky 44. Let's see. Let's start out with a 28, 43, 34, 15, 18, 17, 19, 40, 22, 26, 12, 21, 6, 29, and 25. All right, 2 rows left. Can we get something? 46, 38, 2, 27, 16. Last row. 39, 37, and we got something. All right, we got a match on 37. 10, 8, 36. All right, so single match here. Hopefully something big. Let's see what we got here. Hey, $20. We will take it. We got something back. All right, so we got that one win for $20, that one loss there. As always, guys, if you would help out the channel, give this one a thumbs up. If you have not before, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you on the next one.